Okay, teens, try not to ruin this one. Hi, my name's Paul, and you're special and ugly. See yourself as a beautiful rookie like my sister. Say something. You're supposed to go hi. She doesn't satisfy me, you guys. Are you ready to eat some vegetarian weenies?
I like real weenies.
You can't have mine.
I don't want them.
Yes, you do. You're like, oh, Chelsea weenie. She wants a weenie. She wants a weenie. What are you doing to me? Hey, Tina. You love me? Facebook, a place for friends. Let's go bug daddy. Billy! Billy, where are you?
I'm here.
I'm gonna film you.
You gonna film me?
I'm gonna film you, not kill you.
Are you gonna film me?
This is Billy. He's making our salad.
Who is that person you have on the front of your shirt?
It's the Mad Hatter off of Alice in Wonderland. Don't put me in the dark. Close up of your nose.
Turn on the brightness of your camera, and that will go put this in the sink and meet me at the car. Let's go.
Okay.
Put something on your arm so you won't have.
We're going to the kitchen. In my house. My neighbor's dog's back there somewhere. Well, folks, I gotta go make some weenies.